Hello friends, in this video I'm going to show you how to apply few steps and change the launcher icon that you always see getting set for the application in which you are working. So the first thing what you have to do is all the icon details will be stored in the mipmap folder inside resource RVS. So we can start the application like this. We will right click at the top of the RES folder, go to new, and then you move on to the option called image asset. Just click this one. The dialog box pops up over here and you will be guided by some series of options. Right now we are in the foreground layer, so that means the text part will be involved over here, and we want to create an icon which is of text type. So I will click the text. That will prompt me over here, and here I'm supposed to write the text that what I want. So I would like that the icon name should like be icon my icon. Okay, here you are willing to change your text color. If you click this, you come over here. So what I want is I want to apply the color white, so I give 6 double F and then I click the close button, so it has a text color of white. Okay, and over here if you feel like you can change even the font style also. So that is what I have applied of the foreground layer. Now let's switch over to background layer. Here what I am going to do is, here I am supposed to apply the background color. So I come to the asset type and here it is the color, and then I choose a color property. I have already taken one color beforehand, and this color I would prefer. You can choose any color from this gradient shade, and I click the close button. Now it's looking pretty nice and smooth. So the background layer responsible for applying the color. Okay, now let's come to the legacy. Legacy stands for what should be the shape of the icon over here. If you find over here there are different shapes available. So if I'm going for the launcher icon, adaptive, so I can choose any of these types. So as I choose the legacy only, it will be of this type, which I don't feel like. So I go to the adaptive one, and this is very nice and smooth one. If I want, if I scroll down this one, you will see the legacy icon looks like this, a rounder icon look like this. So legacy icon is over here. If I want to change from square to circle, this one will be transformed. Okay, so I can keep this all as even the Google Play Store icon is in a square shape. I can change this one to circle as well. Okay, so this is the circle's shape. So that means every of these object represent the pattern in which the shapes would be represented as it gets activated. So we have covered up all the three tabs that we were been accessed through. And one important thing is that I am not changing the file name, because by this particular file name you will find the files are already there in my map folder, and this file name, well, if I have to change it, then I have to change it everywhere. So for the purpose of simplicity, I'm just retaining it, and then I go to next, and you will be seeing the different minmap folders where these particular files will be generated. These are based on the size of the screen size. When you will be running the application, it will be adapting according to the OS will be adapting according to the screen size of your handset. So these files will be remain as it is, and I will simply click the finish button. Once I do that, you will see that in the map folder over here the launcher XML is there. If I click this, this is the one which we have done it. Don't worry, the shape which you are seeing right now is a square, but at the runtime it will be a rounded one, because over here you have got the rounded one file as well. Okay, so these two files will be related with, and there's one more file that is very important, that is the androidmanifext.xml file. Over here they have specified that the mipmap folder with the file name IC launcher round, that will be used as a default icon. Okay, so we are all now set to go. So let me switch on the emulator, and as I do that, the emulator will be starting. And this is the first time I'm running the application. So prior before this, the application was not there, and once the application gets active, we will find that the icon has been set within this particular application. The Gradle development is still going on. We have to wait a few minutes more. Once the whole step is over, the application will be formulated. So always remember that all kind of launcher icon, these information are kept in the mipmap folder. Mipmap is a special folder whose priority has been set in this way that when you're running the application, depending upon the screen size, the OS itself will choose which particular file it has to access. Okay, and according to that, the thing will be set forward. So the hassle of choosing which particular icon from programmatically need not has to be done, and this will be taken care by the operating system itself. Okay, and over here in the drawable folder also we will find few more files are there, and these files have been taking care about which particular, what will the background information, what is the foreground information, those informations are all there, and we don't have to worry about these things. They will be taken care by the application itself, and the application already started. So the program is now running. Let me just close the program, the icon, and let me go to the home, and over here it is, here is the icon which we have just now developed. Okay, let me increase the font size so that it is more clear enough to visible. So just a minute, let me scroll a little bit up. Yep, and let me apply the zoom, and it's looking pretty nice and cool, right? So that was the shape, and that was the text color, that was the background color which we have chosen. And I'm sure that this video helped you to understand that how do we set icon for your application. In my coming video we will be talking few more different stuff, so let's wait for those. Until then, have a nice time.